How you doing, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Tractor Tuesday once again. Busy day around the yard today, prepping for Virginia show tomorrow. I hope to see you all there. Not neglect Tractor Tuesday though, so today we're going to do it on this. It's a 2017, it's a Valtra N154. So we'll just give you a quick look around it. Right, starting from the front, this tractor's well spec'd. She has complete front linkage, front PTO, front valves. Very tidy tractor throughout. Front and cab suspension is standard, 650 tyres on the rear, 540 tyres on the front. You have your AdBlue and diesel tank here alongside your step. Paint works very good on this tractor. Tyres are about 60% all round. Around to the rear, as per usual, PTO lift buttons on the mudguards. This tractor has 4 manual spools. It also has load sensing hydraulics. It has a Dramone push out hitch. As I said, cab suspension, LED walk lights on the top along with twin beacons. On round to this side, once again paintwork all very tidy. Let's get a quick look inside the cab. As you see, it's very tidy inside as well. Very little wear on the seat at all. This is an active spec, so it is power shift transmission, manual spools. This is a 50k model. Has air conditioning, all your light controls at the top, along with it's a Bluetooth radio that's in this. All your lift and your draft settings here. Diff lock, 4-wheel drive, your PTO speeds. And there is exactly 6,829 hours on the clock. Well, that's it, folks. That's a real tidy example of one now if you are looking for about 150 horsepower tractor. As I said, she does have all the bells and whistles on it. If you want any more information on that, you can give myself a shout on 086 835 5206. Bit of a tidy up done here on the tractor shed. And here's what we found hiding in the back, nearly forgotten about. A lot of people probably wouldn't know what that is, but it's a Bobman. It's a self-propelled bedding machine for any chicken or turkey men out there. Very handy bit of kit this. A wee diesel engine that's in it, 3-wheel drive. It'd turn round in itself, so it would. On the button. Very handy machine, works, all hydraulic. As for lifting up and down your brushes, forward and back on the pedals. She has an auger in here. It's actually a self-filling machine, so you can tip that down and back into your pile of shavings. And the belt on this, it works both ways, so you can blow it out either side. That's just a quick look around that. I have the price in this machine reduced. The price was 12,000. I have it down to 10,000 now to clear. So if anyone's interested in that, you can also give me a shout. 086 835 5206. Still a handful of Fusions left in stock, folks. I think we have 4 or 5 in total. There's been a good move on the Fusions this year. As you see, we do keep them stored inside. As you know, we usually keep them stored inside, so we do no different. If you are on the market for a used Fusion or even a new one now for next year, don't hesitate to give us a call on 049 854 4353.
Is this Palace Kenry?
2 of them.
2 of them?
I'd say they must have left one in the Roscommon.
These are our 2 Palace Kenry tractors that we just unloaded from the lorry. We have the G115 and we have an N175 front loader. And there was also a T195 that came back as well, but it's gone to our Roscommon branch. N175 demo. It's going to be going down to the town as well this year. We just use that for around the yard for ourselves. So what we're doing, we're getting a spoon hitch, changing the hitch. We're gonna bring me for the spin. Are you bringing me for the spin? We have a rear camera, but Aaron chooses not to use it. Okay, next up. Our load is our 4,500 gallon tank. So it's not going to be the simplest. This is going to be the hardest job of the day. Definitely is one of the biggest tanks that we would have in. Possibly have a 5,000 gallon tank on order this year. So if that would be something that you're interested in, give Erwin a call. Okay, I'm going to have to set these up because Aaron's going to need me to guide him here. How many times am I going to get shouted at when we're doing this? The fact that he actually trusts me to do this is beyond me. Okay, we seem to be going well enough so far.
We're bringing a blue N135. We're bringing a 2.8 metre McConnell mulcher. We're bringing a Cashel bale shear, a T175, a Wiedemann a 5522, a brush, and I think there's a G135 going as well. So that's on tomorrow, so I hope to see you all there. Putting in a big effort for it.
So as Erwin said, we are bringing the Wiedemann 5522 with the BFWS sweeper brush on the front. And the G135 with a major bench saw mounted on the rear. I think we're going to be putting on this R5 bale handler as well. So it's going to be a very busy day at the Niamh show. Wednesday, the 21st of August. So we hope to see you there tomorrow.
That's it for another Tractor Tuesday, folks. Join us next week. We're going to do this. It's a year-old Valtra N155 with 1800 hours on the clock. So this will be our tractor of choice for next week. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.